Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhal. Let's look at today's top health highlights. A team of researchers from the Keck School of Medicine at USC conducted the first known comparison of the brains of boys and girls with binge eating disorder and discovered notable changes in brain structure between the sexes. The research was recently published in Psychological Medicine. The study, which builds on earlier work suggesting that binge eating disorder is wired in the brain from an early age, is an important first step in understanding the neurobiology of binge eating disorder and how it differs between the sexes. It also presents critical evidence that males who in the past were left out of research on eating disorders must be included in future efforts to understand the origins of eating disorders. At the same time, research has uncovered more and more evidence that eating disorders are diseases of the brain and not the result of social pressure or a lack of willpower. Authors said there are common misperceptions that have been disproved. Same disease, different brain structure. The researchers identified 38 boys and 33 girls who had a diagnosis of binge eating disorder from the study's 11,875 participants. In children, boys represented about 57% of those with binge eating disorder. That figure changes among adults, with adult males representing about 43% of those with binge eating disorders. The research team was able to evaluate the grey matter density in the brains of the 9 and 10-year-olds in the study via a neuroimaging technique which enables researchers to examine differences in structural brain anatomy. It showed that compared to a control group of 74 children who matched on age, body mass index, and developmental maturation, girls with binge eating disorders had elevated grey matter density in several parts of the brain known to be connected to impulse control and binge eating disorder symptoms, suggesting that a crucial brain maturation process, synaptic pruning, may be uniquely altered or delayed in these girls. However, boys with binge eating disorder did not have elevated grey matter density in these areas. New treatments for binge eating disorder are on the horizon and include transcranial magnetic stimulation and direct current stimulation, both of which directly target the brain. Authors will test to see whether, in addition to having different structures, the brains of males and females with binge eating disorder function differently. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.